Hello guys. So today we got something fun going on. I'm just getting set up here. It's in the usual place where I've done a few videos, but tonight Hammock Event winter edition. So there will be around 20 plus people here during the day and the evening, and I was here early, but there are 5, 6, 7, 8 people who were even more early than me, came already yesterday. But I'm going to get set up and then I'll show you around later. Fun. So, back again. This is camp for tonight. People are starting to show up. And here's me. I also have the Hammock with me, but that's just to demo it today. This is the setup for tonight. So this is going to be good. And more people dropping in. And down here we have the bigger camp. 3 down there. And here we have a few hot tents. Yes, this is UL. For real. Hello again, update. A few tents have arrived. A few more hammocks. Here's the war bonnet corner. Here we have somebody close to the ground. Really nice setup. And people are still coming in. It's just after lunch now. A few people are on a short hike. Here we have the pros from Hangcon Europe, Danish outdoor festival. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Really cozy, right?
Yeah.
And the super nice decorations. And here's the food corner. Then here along the lakeside, lots of hammocks, different styles and versions. People are getting to know each other, chatting, learning from each other. And then this is back to where we are. So this is us for the night. So, as it's getting darker, people have gathered around the fire. Dinner time. So, this is everybody. So, time for some dinner.
Några snabba ord. Jättekul att det blev så många. Det är ju jag och Henrik som har dragit ihop. Och tänkte ge chansen till våra långväga gäster från Danmark till och med. Och prata lite snabbt bara om deras arrangemang. Om någon har suget att åka ner. Jag var ner i förra våren. Gunilla hakade på också. Vi träffade ett gäng andra svenskar som också kommer att åka ner nu. Mot våren. Men ni får gärna ta över och snacka lite om eran grej.
Tack. Jag kommer att göra det på engelska. Det är väldigt mycket lättare. Om det är någon där inte förstår det sitter vi kvar uppe där. Då ska vi ta det så bra som jag kan på svenska. My name is Lars. I've been doing Danish Outdoor Festival, which is the background for all of this. For I think it will be our 13th year. We started out in a small stuga with 12 people. I do it with a guy named Christian, my partner in crime. We built it to last year to have 26,000 guests at a good location. This year we'll have an even better location at Litherborg Castle, which is a very beautiful place. I will post it all in your group, or I'll have you do it. We've been following Hangcon in Florida for years. And last year, Christian and I decided to go. So we went and we talked to the founding couples, and AJ and Paul, who's doing it right now. And we sat down and discussed, and we had the same values basically. So they agreed to let Christian and I take it on to Europe and brought Klaus along and several other people. We're not a big team, but we are 9, probably 8 at least. We brought it to Europe and we went from having 20 hammocks to 320 hammocks in 2024. The new location will have room for at least 1,500 hammocks, and it's great room, great location.
Place for all of you?
Places for all of you, and all your family, and all your friends. Maybe not all your friends, but most.
So, time to go to bed. So people are still hanging around down by the fire. Good morning everyone. It's around 7 o'clock after a warm night's sleep. It's been around 3 degrees Celsius. It's a bit, or it's very high moisture in the air, so lots of condensation and quite wet. Let's take a quiet walk through the camp. So, working our way out of the forest. It's about 8:30, so I need to get back home to the family. So, like I said, working my way out of the woods. The road is really bad. It's starting to thaw out, so it's really soft in some places. But it was a great event. I think we were about 20-25 something campers. Super nice to meet everybody and see all the setups and learn a couple of new things. So all in all, a great event. Hoping for more to come. So with that, I think I'll see you all later.